Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to add text on road in Photoshop. So let's get started. I want to blend this text on road. So first select pixels and press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl D to deselect and delete this text. Don't worry, it's temporarily saved in Photoshop memory. So now create a new layer and go to filter, vanishing points and add perspective points to the road. And now press Ctrl V to paste the text and press Ctrl T to transform. After you are satisfied with the results, so hit OK. Now go to blending options, move the white underlying slider to the left side and black underlying slider to the right side. And break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click. And do the same process with the white one. Break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click. And hit OK. And your text is added on a road. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.